The last straw, when enough is enough. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting English phrase, the last straw. You might have heard it in movies, songs, or in a conversation with a friend. But what does it actually mean? Stay tuned to find out how to use it and what it really represents in daily English conversation. Remember, understanding phrases like this is a big step towards fluency. The last straw is a phrase that comes with a story. Imagine a camel carrying loads of straw on its back. As more straw is added, the camel carries the weight without a problem, until a single additional straw is placed on the camel, and it becomes the one too many that breaks the camel's back. This is a metaphor that describes a situation where there is a series of challenges or problems, and the smallest additional burden makes the entire situation unbearable. You can use the last straw in different contexts. It's generally used to express that a series of events or actions has led to a final action that causes a person to lose patience or to reach the limit of tolerance. For example, if your boss has been giving you extra work all month and you've been staying late, but then they ask you to work on the weekend too, you might say, "That's the last straw." It means you have reached your limit. Let's look at how to use the last straw in sentences. After hours of dealing with customer complaints, the malfunctioning coffee machine was the last straw for the cafe manager. I was late 5 times this month, and forgetting to turn in my report was the last straw for my boss. She put up with the noisy construction next to her apartment for weeks, but the power outage was the last straw. These examples show how the phrase is used to indicate the final problem that leads to a reaction or a decision. When learning this phrase, be careful not to use it for positive or insignificant events. It's not just any final event. It's the one that causes a significant reaction due to prior frustration or problems. That wraps up our lesson on the last straw. I hope now you can understand and use this phrase to express those moments when you just can't take anymore. Use it in your next conversation and see how it brings a sense of shared experience when talking about challenges. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't let learning English be the last straw for you. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.